strong.
Make over $500 a month without changing your lifestyle? You're probably wondering, how is that even possible? You might be thinking, you have to create a website, you have to learn how to make videos or spend some money on ads. Nope, you don't have to do any of those things. Many people have heard of the platform called Airbnb, but most think you have to live in a popular tourist city like Chicago or New York or Las Vegas in order to make money with Airbnb. The answer is absolutely not. You can make money on Airbnb even if you live in a small town of less than 50,000 people with no real attractions or major industries. I live in a small town just a few hours away from New Orleans in Louisiana. The town I live in, there isn't much that goes on. Most concerts and live entertainment take place about 20 minutes from where I live, in fact. I started offering 2 rooms for Airbnb travelers last July of 2019. I actually took a break from Airbnb in March of 2020 with the Corona shutdown. I just recently reactivated my listings a few days ago, and already the month of September is half booked. In the 8 months that I've actually had my listing active, I've earned over $4,360. Who would have thought that a relatively small town, when compared to cities like Las Vegas that has over 3 million residents, would earn me passive income of over $500 a month? I certainly didn't expect to make that much. Most of my guests have been traveling nurses, therapists, and business people who have come into town for work, temporary assignments, and conferences. Our state has recently suffered a natural disaster of a hurricane. So I decided to reactivate my listings after speaking to a coworker who was displaced and staying at a hotel. She informed me that all the local hotels were booked, and the hotel 20 minutes away increased their room rates up to $900 a night. Yikes. She drove over 1 hour and 30 minutes away just to find a decent priced hotel. My guests are all construction workers, FEMA, or insurance adjusters who have come into town to assist with the cleanup from the natural disaster. Over the course of the next 2 weeks, I will earn almost $1,000 from Airbnb. And unlike the hotels, I have not raised my rates to unreasonable amounts. You see, you can earn money in an ethical way even during a disaster without preying on other people's tragedy. In fact, my current guests just told me when they checked in how grateful they were that they didn't have to sleep in their truck. So if you have spare bedrooms in your home, you should consider listing them on the Airbnb platform. It's a win-win solution for everyone. Check out my link in the description for my Amazon recommendations to get your home Airbnb ready in case you want to make this a regular side hustle and earn the most from your listings by implementing some of the strategies the pros use. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you found value in it.